Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious butter icing with condensed milk. First, ensure your unsalted butter is perfectly softened, around 65 to 70 degrees Fahrenheit. This is crucial for a smooth, lump-free texture. Next, have your sweetened condensed milk and a good quality vanilla extract ready. Precise measurements are key to achieving that perfect, creamy consistency every time. Let's get started on this simple and delightful recipe. Now let's get to the mixing. Start by beating your softened butter in a stand mixer on medium-high speed. You want it to be really light and fluffy, almost pale in color. This usually takes about 3 to 5 minutes. Then, slowly pour in the sweetened condensed milk while the mixer is still running. Keep beating until everything is beautifully combined and smooth, creating a wonderful base for your icing. Hey everyone, if you're enjoying this video and finding these tips useful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Quick recommendation: for all your recipe reading or just relaxing with a good book, check out the new Kindle Paperwhite. It's fantastic. You can find the link and other great deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video. Once your base is ready, it's time to add flavor. Stir in your vanilla extract. A good quality one makes a big difference. You can also experiment with other extracts like almond or lemon. Don't forget a tiny pinch of salt. It really helps to cut through the sweetness and enhance the overall taste. If your icing feels a bit too thick, just add a tablespoon of regular milk until it reaches your desired spreadable consistency.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.